Now children, we will apply the concept of complementary angles here in this question. This is exercise number 8.3. It is evaluate sine of 18 degree by cos of 72 degree. You have to evaluate this by using the concept of complementary angles here. You see, question 1 is solution of question 1. It is sine of 18 degree by cos of 72 degree. It is equal to, you see, sine of, this can be written as 90 minus 72. There is no difference because you know 90 minus 72, it is again 18 degree. What is sine of 90 minus 72? It is sine of 18 degree divided by cos of 72 degree equal to, what is sine of, but we know sine of 90 minus theta. This is, what is, instead of theta, it is 72 degree angle. You know sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine of 90 minus theta, theta is 72 degree here. This can be written as cos 72 degree divided by cos of 72 degree. So this will get cancelled. It is 1. Sine, this will get cancelled. It is 1. So sine of 18 degree by cos of 72 degree is equal to 1. How? You change this sine of 18 degree can be written as sine of 90 minus 72, because 90 minus 72 is again 18 degree, but we know sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, that is cos of 72 degree, and denominator is same, so it will get cancelled. So it is 1. It is 1. Now see question number 2. How I will apply the complementary angles here. Rule of complementary angles. Tan of 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan of 67 degree. We have to show that this is equal to 1. Let us take LHS, left hand side. So tan of 48 degree. What is the complementary angle of 48? Because sum should be 90. So 48 complementary will be this. So you write down with this 48, 42 degree here, because sum of these is 90 degree. So it is tan of 23. It is complementary is 67. So tan 67. Tan 67. It is equal to tan of 48 degree. So this can be written as tan of 90 minus 48. Why? Because tan of 90 minus 48 is again this 42. 90 minus 48 is 42 into tan of 23 degree into, what is tan of this can be written as 90 minus 23. Why 90 minus 23? Because tan of 90 minus 23 is again tan of 67. Now here I will use the concept of complementary angles. Tan of 48 degree is equal to, what's tan of 90 minus 48? Tan of, you know, 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot theta is 48 degree. Tan of 23 degree. What is tan of 90 minus theta? It is cot theta. Theta is 23 degree here. So you know the reciprocal of tan is cot. Tan 40 degree. This can be written as 1 by tan of 90 minus theta is cot of 48 degree is 1 by tan of 48. Tan 23 degree. This can be written as tan cot 123 is tan of 23 degree. This will get cancelled, tan, it is 1 here. So 1 into 1 is 1. So it is equal to 1, which is RHS. So in this way, you have used the concept of complementary angles to solve these problems here. Thank you.